Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate content scheduling with Hootsuite, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate content scheduling with Hootsuite, start by creating an account on Hootsuite's website. Once your account is set up, log in to the Hootsuite dashboard. Navigate to the content section located in the left sidebar. Click on Publisher to access the scheduling features. Select the Planner tab to view your current and scheduled posts. Click on the New Post button to create a new piece of content. In the post creation window, choose the social media accounts you want to publish to. Write your message or upload media, such as images or videos. Once you have your content ready, look for the scheduling options. Select Schedule for later. Choose the date and time you want your post to go live. Review your scheduled post for any errors or changes. Click the Schedule button to finalize your post. Your content is now set to automatically publish at the specified time. You can return to the Planner tab to see all your scheduled posts. If you need to edit any scheduled content, simply click on the post. Make your changes and reschedule as necessary. To set up recurring posts, use the Bulk Compose feature. Upload a CSV file with your posts to automate multiple schedules at once. Once your bulk upload is complete, review for any issues. Lastly, monitor engagement and performance through the analytics tools provided by Hootsuite. This will help you refine future content scheduling strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.